Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. We have a 2019 Mazda 6, stock number 6366. This ran from the 3rd 2018 to the current shape. It is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Right front door car, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,